Today, we're delighted to cut a green ribbon, which you'll see here behind us, to open a park for the Callow Hill neighborhood, for the Chinatown neighborhood, and for the entire Philadelphia region.
For years, the rail line provided Philadelphia a link to the rest of our country, bringing people and things to what was then the nation's largest manufacturing center. Imagine today the line serving a similar purpose for our world-class city, a tool to connect residents from the neighborhoods the park intersects.
Ultimately, when it extends the entire 3 miles, which is the great vision for this rail park, it'll connect our whole city. It'll connect neighborhoods. And I think that is the real power of parks. And in a time in our city and our country when we are craving in such desperate need of connection, parks have the power to do that, and we can't lose sight of that.
This area has no library, no rec center, and no public parks. Thus, the opening of the rail park is very significant for all who call this neighborhood home.
Families will want to come and relax here and play here, and businesses will want to locate here in Philadelphia because of projects like this.
This kind of approach to public space that builds equity, that is fair, and that gives opportunity to all citizens to enjoy the outdoors, to come together in public space, to be together as a community, are so important to the future of this city.
Today is only the beginning. We hope to be back at the Rail Park soon to unveil more phases of this beautiful public space. I want to thank you all for being here.